Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious peanut butter ramen. This guide will help you create a satisfying meal quickly and easily. You will need just a few common pantry items to get started. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious garnish. Get ready to transform simple ramen into an exciting, flavorful dish in about 15 minutes, perfect for a busy evening. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the creamy peanut butter sauce. In a bowl, combine about 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and a half teaspoon of sesame oil for depth. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully fragrant. This rich sauce forms the base of our amazing ramen. Next, we will cook our ramen noodles and prepare any protein you desire. Boil your ramen noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes, or as directed on the package, until they are perfectly al dente. While the noodles cook, quickly sauté your protein of choice, perhaps some chicken, tofu, or a fried egg. Remember to reserve approximately 1/4 cup of the starchy noodle water before draining. Finally, it is time to bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Drain your cooked ramen noodles and immediately add them to the bowl with your creamy peanut butter sauce. Stir everything thoroughly, incorporating the reserved noodle water to reach your preferred sauce thickness. Garnish with fresh scallions, a sprinkle of crushed peanuts, or a dash of chili oil for an extra kick. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.